So you bought a sofa for 400 bucks and then you sold it, and the question is, how much did you sell it for? Now, statement 1, if you don't read it very carefully, you might miss a word there. You might think that it says that the selling price was exactly 140% of the purchase price, but it's not. It's saying that the selling price was more than 140% of the purchase price. So this is giving us an inequality, and an inequality can't possibly be sufficient to answer the question because they're asking for the exact value at which you sold the sofa. So statement 1 is not sufficient on its own, and we should go ahead and eliminate the answer choices that claim that it is. So A and D are gone, and we're down to B, C, or E. Let's build a ratio table for statement 2 right after the intro. Okay, so if the gross profit was 1/3 of the selling price, we can build a ratio that would look like this. It's gross profit to selling price is 1 to 3, but we can put in an inference column for the purchase price. After all, the gross profit is the difference between the purchase price and the selling price. So if the selling price is 3 ratio units and your gross profit is 1 ratio unit, then your purchase price must have been 2 ratio units. But we know what the actual purchase price was. We were given that in the free info. It was 400 bucks. So if 2 ratio units represent 400 bucks, can we now infer what the selling price was? We know that it's 3 ratio units. So then you must have sold it for 600 bucks, and therefore the correct answer is B. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.